Hey guys, it's a prepper haul. Let's talk about it. So the first place I stopped was Walmart. I just wanted to get some groceries and stuff like that, and I stumbled across this little gem. This is a 7-inch full tang high carbon steel blade. Yeah, retention is really good. I don't like the belt clippy, but I think I can fix that because that has all sorts of little holes in it for grommets, and we can figure something else. But the knife itself is razor sharp, and it's made out of the same steel that Gerber uses. The scales, or the grip, seems to be made out of the same material that Gerber uses to make all their stuff. I kind of like its design. It fits in my hand reasonably well. I can use it for a lot of things. It is not a serrated blade, but here's the thing. This thing came in at under $7. And it comes in several different styles. I counted 5 different styles with different scales, whether it was a polished blade or a blackened blade. Even the handle itself had a different design on at least one other version of it. But it's all made by Walmart's little outdoor company. So I do recommend picking one of these up and then kind of figuring it out. For the price, you can't beat it. So the next place I hit was the old Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree. And that place, I did a little comparison shopping because my mission was to end up at Harbor Freight. So I stumbled across this little gem right here. Oh, doesn't that look familiar? Oh, so I've already put some batteries in it for you. It doesn't crush down like the traditional ones that we see. You can see where they've tried to save a little bit of money. And yeah, that's as bright as it gets. So, they're calling this the LED lantern. And I mean, it technically works. It's not very bright. Honestly, it's just not very bright at all. And the knob itself, well, I guess you're going to get a $1.25 worth of Chinese stuff. I'm putting it on the shelf for use. I'll reverse one of the batteries or put a piece of plastic in it so I can use it later, but I would not count this as the most dependable, but in this particular case, I think you're getting what you pay for at $1.25. Let's go ahead and turn you off. All right, I want to set that right there. All right, and then as usual, I bought myself one of these little candles. It's basically designed off of one of the Catholic Church candles, but yeah, this thing will last for hours, if not days, and it's $1.25. Candle, plain white, unscented. Yes. $1.25. I always grab one of those when I get a chance. What else we got in here? Spices. So one of the things that we often forget about is having spices set aside. You know, it's like having salt, pepper, paprika, cinnamon, blah, blah, just all these tons of spices. Well, I like the combination spices. This one's called Complete Seasoning. And this one looks like it has some onions and some garlic and pretty much a little bit of everything. It smells really great. And for $1.25, I cannot complain. This one caught me off guard. This one is called Sriracha Salt. So I'll let you know in any future videos that I cook with it. I'll just throw a little hint in there and say, yeah, so remember the Sriracha Salt? That was some good stuff. $1.25. What do we got here? I picked these up because I always pick these up for the little these are better than the tea candles, and they last much longer, and you can do different projects with them. I just use them for light, and ironically, you'll see later in this video, if you're smart enough to stick around, that these are going to come in pretty handy. So I'm going to set these right here. Another $1.25 item. And then what I was also doing too was I always keep a little bit of Aleve. And then if you didn't know it, Aleve is actually naproxen sodium. It's the same exact thing. It's $1. What do we got here? Lasts 12 hours, and I can't tell how many. 10 tablets. 10 tablets. I mean, how often do you take this crap? So I got that right there. That's going to go inside. That's actually going to go inside my Jeep for those long drives that I have to do every so often. You know who I'm talking about. And then the other thing that I noticed, I was talking about this in the Discord the other day, was when we built the trauma kits, the trauma kits, the TTKs, there's no boo-boo items in it whatsoever. I had basically cut this finger down to the bone, and I was out in town. I was like, you know what? This is ridiculous. I mean, I may need stitches. I may not. I don't know. But I know I don't want to get it infected. So I literally had nothing to do to make a bandage out of it. I had some gauze, but it was the squared gauze, and I'm not going to like turn this thing into like a splint or anything. So I just went inside this gas station, and they sold me this little roll of duct tape for $3.25. Major ripoff. And I got a bunch of their napkins and some Neosporin, and just made my own little bandage and carried on with my day. And, well, I haven't died yet, so it worked. But it made me realize that I don't have anything for boo-boos inside my Jeep. So that's one of the things that I was looking for. And first I grabbed, where's it at? I'm actually missing something maybe. First I grabbed just a package of Band-Aids. I mean, you don't need a lot of them. There's 26 in the packet. I've used these before. They are flexible, but not waterproof. And they're actually good little Band-Aids for $1.25. So I grabbed those right there. And then right next to them, boom, what do we got here? A first aid kit. And this thing has got like different size Band-Aids. It says it's got 21 items in it. Let's go ahead and crack it open. It's got its own little case, which I'm not really normally a fan of, but it's very slim, so I can stick it inside of my glove box. Okay, it's got some gauze in here. Got some alcohol-free pads. Got different size Band-Aids. Well, hell, I'll just take some of these Band-Aids and put it inside of here, and then we'll just put this. This will be my boo-boo kit for my dashboard or my glove box. And then next to that was liquid skin. Now I've used this stuff before, and it does work in a pinch. This is like I need to close a cut up, and it's definitely going to need stitches, but I need to close this cut up like right now. This stuff works like wonders. And here's the funny thing: that little shape. Oh my God, it'll fit right inside of this. Whoop. I'll just stick it inside here too. So now I have like this super boo-boo kit that I can stick in my dash. And I'll just set that there, and I'll set that there. And then, whoop, you can't see that. We're going to put that right there. Okay. And the last thing I want to talk about was, so for $1.25 a piece, I don't need you anymore. For $1.25 a piece, you can pick up these batteries. These are all AA batteries. You could have got AAAs too, but I found that I use a lot more AAs than I do AAAs. And the reason I did it because I was curious, because I knew my next stop was going to be Harbor Freight, and I knew I had a deal on AA batteries, but I had left my phone in the car, so I couldn't look it up, and I was just estimating. So basically, each one of these packs is 6 AA batteries. Super heavy duty doesn't mean anything. We all know these are just alkaline batteries. They're going to last as long as they're going to last. But basically, so it ended up 3 packs after taxes is like $4. All right, so that's 6 times 3, that's 18 batteries for $4, which is on its face not bad. But I think when you see what I did at Harbor Freight, it's going to blow your mind. Okay, so as you can see, we got all this stuff right here. This is my haul. This is my $1.25 tree haul. That's the stuff I got. Pretty good stuff. Pretty good stuff. It's going to go into different types of preps. And yeah, let's look at the Harbor Freight stuff next. Okay, so in my last TikTok, I told everybody to sign up for the Harbor Freight program. Basically, you just go to Harbor Freight, and or you can go online and just sign up for their coupons. Just sign up for their newsletter. Just click all the boxes and let them send you lots of stuff. So hey, I got an email from Harbor Freight a couple days ago. I was like, you know what? That's some good prepper stuff right there. And it's at a super low cost. Right now, it's good until February 6th, I believe. So I do recommend that you guys at least look into it. So let's take a look at the stuff. All right. Well, you remember this? Wait. So let's do a test. Let's do a test. This was $1.25. This was a little over $4. Yeah, significantly different. Obviously, you get what you pay for. Both run off of 3 AA batteries. We're going to close that, and we're going to close that, and we're going to turn that off and put that someplace. Maybe we'll never use it. Maybe we won't. But definitely a good deal. This was regularly $7, so basically you picked it up for $2 off. In frame. There we go. Okay, and we've all seen these before, right? Oh yeah, we've seen these before. These things were like less than $3 a piece. When these things first came out, they were $10 a piece. Unheard of. Now, less than $3 a piece. I think they were like $2.39. Picked up two of these. They normally have magnets on them. I can't see past the... Ooh, let me check right now. There's magnets right there. Got magnets, their own Velcro and sticky stuff. And they run on regular AAA batteries. They run on regular AAA batteries. Let's see. Yep. They're going to run on 4 AAA batteries. And I don't ever recommend using the sticky stuff unless you really, really, really need to. Because it's, or not the sticky stuff, but the Velcro sticky stuff. I always recommend just using the magnets. I love sticking this to one of these to my refrigerator. It's right there in case of a hurricane. Lights up the entire kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to stick those right over there. Making a mess. There we go. Okay. Stay in frame. Stay in frame. I'm going to keep these in frame so you can see what we got. All right, what else we got? Oh, this right here. Another $3 item. It's got its own little hook. It's got a magnet on the back. It's got a flashlight for the front. And then a flashlight that's bright as hell in the back. And it comes with, I'm going to turn that off. It comes with 3 AAA batteries. Okay, definitely a good deal. This is regularly a $5 item. I picked it up for $3. Okay, so we're back to the batteries. So remember, I hauled them away. So remember we got the 18 batteries, 6 times 3, yeah, 18 batteries at Dollar Tree for $4. So this is 24 AA batteries. 24 AA batteries for $3. Yeah. Now I know what you're saying. Yeah, that's right. I picked up some AAAs too. I know what you're saying. You're going to tell me, well, I only use rechargeable batteries. I do too. But let's face it. This is just too cheap to pass up. If they're practically giving these batteries away. So if they're going to do that, I'm going to take them. I really need to work on keeping things in frame so you can like see what we got here. Okay. All right. Let's have a little fun with it. There you go. All right. Now you can definitely see this stuff. Okay. So another thing that I got was, oh yeah, this bad boy. Oh my God. These things are normally $10. I picked this up for $4.99. Little waterproof thingy. It's got the little seals inside of it. So it's going to be semi-waterproof. It's definitely plastic. It is semi-flexible. I would say it's not as rugged as like the Winchester boxes, but for $5 and it's lockable. Yeah, I'm not going to complain about that for a split second. I'm definitely going to be doing something with this. Don't know yet, but I'm not going to pass it up. That's it. Is that all I got? Yep, that's all I've got, and that's the deal. All together, this was like $18 for all this stuff. Pretty nice haul. All right, so last thing. I was driving down the road. I hit this consignment shop on my way home, and I was looking for an old, like a coffee grinder, and they didn't have one, but they had one of these. These I'd never even seen before. Oddly enough, there's a little sticker on the bottom of it. It's made by IKEA. So, yeah. Do I got a lighter here? Here we go. And, yeah, there's the candle that was in it. Okay. Wait a minute. Didn't we just buy candles? Oh. Let's use our new knife to open the package. Whoa. So useful. I'm trying to be gentle because I don't want to mess the candles up. Otherwise, I just like start charring right through this thing. There we go. What the hell? Let's just cut it in fours. There we go. I'm going to grab us a brand new candle. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that bud. Oof. Oof. I'll light that puppy up. A brand new candle. Get it primed. We're going to drop that in there. Cha-ching! I'm going to throw that in there just like so. It's even got like a little handle on it because I noticed the top does get hot. Obviously I had to test it. Alright, so as you can see, it's not bad. It's just sitting on the table. It's got a brand new candle in it. and it's creating some light. So, I mean, I think my plan is I'm going to get one of those little hanging stands that you can put on your wall, and put this up on my wall someplace, just so I have this little bit of light. It doesn't make a lot of light, to be honest with you, but I think it's more than enough to get around. If the power was out, I think it's more than enough to get the job done with a candle. And here's the other thing too, is I'm noticing that it's hitting this metal top, and it's reflecting the heat pretty well. The glass isn't very hot at all. Matter of fact, the glass is not hot at all. What I really like about it is that there's little breathing holes up underneath it, so it's going to get plenty of oxygen, and it's going to burn that candle hard. It's actually burning down through the center of the candle right now, this brand new candle. I think it's a good deal. I think it worked out really well, and I like it. Oh yeah, I paid $10 for it. I checked on IKEA, it's like a $30 item. So, saved a little cash, found a little neat thing, and yeah, one more thing to set aside for the preps. So, all in all, not a bad haul. Some unique items found, some money almost kind of thrown away. You know, I mean, it is what it is. Other things found, pretty useful, and kind of worked out just fine, you know. I think all in all, it was a good haul, and hopefully you learned something from it. And if not, oh well, I still got lots of good stuff. All right, lastly, I want to thank my Patreons. They're the ones that actually give me the gump to get up every day and go do this stuff and find these deals. There's a link down below in the profile. If you're on TikTok, it's called Link in the Bio. And take a look at the profile. Take a look at the Patreon. I think you'll find out that what we're doing there is some pretty good stuff. All right, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.